Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Scorpio singles or who are in no contact or in separation with right now with their particular person. This is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June. This is like a journal reading, so it might or might not resonate with you. Okay, you don't have to comment in the comment section, this is not resonating with me, this is not happening, this is not happening. I'm not responsible for all this, okay? This is your free will. If you're watching this, this is your free will, buddy. Okay, don't taunt me or don't comment me. This hurts, Baba. So let's start. I'll tap into your past energy, your present energy, and your past person's feelings for you. And if there is somebody new coming in, and a potential outcome till 25th of June. Let's start. Yeah, this card came out. So I feel like Scorpio, you were in a solid committed relationship in the past. Yes, you felt like this is the only one for you. You felt like I should marry this person. This was a solid committed relationship. Everything was going fine. I don't know what the heck happened then. So let's clarify your past energy. This is the 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, give me a second. This is the 10 of Pentacles energy as your past energy. Let's clarify. These cards are acting weird today. Let's see. Blue. Let's clarify the 10 of Pentacles in your past energy. Three of Cups, the Star, and the Two of Swords. I feel like, yeah, your past energy, I felt like there was a hope for reconciliation. There was something that was not working out, and you were on the crossroads. Okay, so you felt like this. There was a reconciliation. There was a hope in this connection, and you were emotionally off. Might be you guys were in a committed relationship, but beneath the surface you were feeling like there was something off, there was something that was not working out, and you were hoping that things will work out. You could be dealing with the Aquarius. Okay, so there was a hope in your mind, in your heart, that things will work out, but you disconnected yourself from this particular situation. You were on the crossroads. You were feeling like I don't know which way to go, I don't know how to make a decision regarding this particular connection, but there was something missing in this connection, and that is why you were emotionally off. You switched off your emotional button. That was the thing. Let's see what is your present energy right now regarding the love life of your single Scorpios. 10 of Cups. Scorpio, either you are enjoying your family life, you are with your family and you're enjoying with your family a lot. You are, happy with your family. This is the happy family life right now. Or right now you are connected to somebody who makes you feel like you are their family or they are your family. We will clarify it further. So right now you are enjoying your family life. Right now you are in a happy mood, that I can see. You are with your family, enjoying with your family, having fun with your family, like that. Let's clarify. This is the Six of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Empress. I feel like you choose to be with your family because you try to have equal give and take in this connection, okay? And you were waiting for this connection to be okay, to be normal. And then after all this, you felt like I should be in my Empress mode. I should focus on myself. I should focus on my work. I should shift my focus to something better. And that is why you turn to your family. That is why might be you are now turning to a family for this beautiful energy, for this happy zone of life, for this happiness energy, because you were completely emotionally off in the past, and your present energy is right now you are seeking help from your family, and you are healing this wounds of yours by spending time with your family. This is the thing that is happening right now. So let's see what the past person feels for you right now, or what the past person feels for the connection right now. Heartbroken, Three of Swords. This person is completely heartbroken, Scorpio. This person is going through hell right now. This person is grieving your loss. This person is missing your lot. They're trying to heal from this situation. Okay, they are completely shattered right now. This past person is completely shattered because things were not working out in this connection, and I feel like you chose to walk away from this situation from this connection and they are deeply heartbroken. Let's clarify. The Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Swords again, and the Ace of Cups. This person still loves you. So I feel like you choose to walk away and work on yourself, focus on yourself, and this breaks their heart. This breaks their heart completely, and after this heartbreak causes a lots of overwhelming emotions in their life, overwhelming emotions in their life. So I feel like you choose to walk away, you choose to work on yourself, you choose to focus on yourself, and that broke their heart. That broke their heart completely. That made them feel like hell, and that is why they are, going through overwhelming emotions, overwhelming, situations in their life where they're not able to control their emotions, control their situations. This is their current energy towards you, or this is their feelings towards you. Yeah, this is the thing. Let's see if somebody new is coming in towards you, or if you're allowing some new energy towards you, Scorpio. Let's see what is coming towards you. Queen of Swords. I feel like you are very, very clear in your intentions now. So I feel like you have made your mind that I just want this type of connection in my life, or I just want this kind of relationship in my life. And you are cutting all the negative people, all the people who are just might be flirting with you, or coming towards you with a non-committal energy, or coming towards you with friends with benefits offer or something like that. You're just cutting out all that, all these peoples, and you're very, very clear now about what you want in your life. Okay, so that's why right now might be you are just waiting for your Mr. Right or Miss Right. Yeah, let's clarify the Queen of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Ten of Pentacles. Yes, too, you don't want sneaky energy around you, don't want any kind of secrets around you, and that is why all you want from a relationship is marriage. You could be like, yeah. So all you want from a relationship is a marriage and a happily stable life, a happily ever after life, a stable relationship. Okay, that is your clear intentions right now. You are very, very clear about your, relationships intentions, relationship feelings now. This is your energy. So let's see what is coming towards you till 25th of June, Scorpio. Singles. What is coming towards you till 25th of June? Don't. Queen of Pentacles. Self-care, self-love, self-healing, stability, financial happiness. This is coming towards you till 25th of June. Might be a solid connection offer as well. A solid committed connection offer is also coming towards you. If you are willing to, keep it. Otherwise, there is some kind of self-care, self-love, self-healing coming towards you. Financial abundance coming towards you. Let's clarify. We will clarify what is coming towards you. The Four of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Swords. Yes, there is an offer coming towards you. I am now sure. There is offer, love offer, commitment offer coming towards you that will confuse you a lot. Again, you will be confused, okay? And you will be very, very clear about, your intentions. So you will clearly reveal your intentions to that particular person, whomsoever is coming towards you. I don't know, this is past energy or somebody new coming towards you, but I feel like there's somebody coming towards you with a solid commitment offer, with a solid marriage offer, that will leave you confused, that will leave you very, very confused whether to give this person a chance to be in a relationship with you or not, or whether to start this relationship with this particular person or not. But eventually you will be very, very clear about your intention. The King of Swords is there, so you will be very, very clear about your intention, and you are going to tell this particular person that this is what I want. Okay, so this is what is coming towards you till 25th of June. Thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. And I know this reading will definitely give you some kind of relief, and some kind of, it will show you some kind of way to, what you want from your life. Thank you. Namaste.